Welcome to our channel, guys. My name is Vikas. You watching to our CSS basic tag and structure to our website. Okay, I'm showing our course page in my website. HTML tag used for HTML5 page use our. Okay, I'm remove this tag now. Then also write like HTML page pipe and HTML language, any doc type HTML. Okay, then HTML language I'm using English. Head is basically used for our Chrome. You see like what you show to our website page. Okay, meta character is used for our page, shows our language like English, Hindi, Chinese. It's anywhere. I'm not write this meta character to show me your question mark. Okay, meta name used for user friendly to our website and show me our mobile and screen like same. And title used for header part to show me our name, and body also write all thing design used for. You also see Google, Amazon. See now that's all right to body part also name, and navigation link to. This is another list we use for our bullet point, and this is alt for our website name. Like I'm also so HTML profile page course and H part for heading and H2 subheading. This is paragraph. Another list, not order list. This is order list, and this is list for our my course. Okay, this is our second course name. There is CSS basic, and this is our also page paragraph and order list used for numbers. Used for numbers. Okay, and also I'm see this my website. Very, this is our website. Very friendly website. Structure and using CSS, but I also use CSS and I see you all. Okay, this is our only structure to HTML. Thank you for watching my video, and you like and subscribe to meet to our next video. Thank you.